Hey guys, it's Corey B. I'm going to do a video today unboxing my Meepo board that I just got. It showed up while I was on vacation in France and Iceland. The cat sitter was nice enough to put it inside for me, so thank you for that. It is like 6 o'clock, so we've only got like an hour and 40 minutes of sunlight left. So hopefully the battery's already charged up a little bit so I can unbox it and ride it today. Stay with me. So this Meepo board, I got it for $3.99. I don't think there was tax on that. I believe the whole price was just $3.99. Feels pretty hefty so far. Yeah, it's nice and sturdy. It looks like everything is just put together. Everything's ready to roll on this. So I've got like a Meepo bracelet here. Okay, in here we've got some accessories. This is probably the power adapter. It sure is. Why don't I plug that in right now in case I need to juice it up just a little bit before we go outside. Alright, so I got the board plugged in. Let's see what other kind of accessories we got here. Oh, it's a foam pad. What do we got here? So what we got here, it looks like some instructions. We've got 2 foam pads. We've got the controller. This was underneath the rear foam pad, so if you're looking for your controller, you can't find it. It was housed under the pad here. A mounting bracket to hook it on the wall to hold up your Meepo board. Some screws with sheetrock, I don't know, what do you call these? Sheetrock adapters. I don't really trust them. I never hang stuff up with the sheetrock adapters. I always find a stud. Comes with 4 of these little screws with the adapters, probably to put this thing up. It comes with this tool. It also comes with a little Allen wrench, Allen style wrench with a Phillips on one side and a little hexagonal Allen wrench on the other side. It doesn't really stay in there though. It kind of just falls out. I wish it locked in. So they gave us Meepo cards. This is kind of strange. Isn't that? I don't know. Is that strange? I think it's a little weird. How am I going to hand out business cards? If I'm going to hand out business cards, it's going to be for my own YouTube channel. Oh, this is the light. It comes with a rear light. That's right. Oh, and then in the box with the light is a USB charger cable. I'm sure that's for our remote here. It sure is. Let's plug that in too. Power adapter. It comes with the light, and it comes with 2. These must be these 2 black rubber bands here. I'm guessing these are for some sort of drive train, like their replacement for some part on the board, but I'm not sure what part yet. So I've got the board charging, and it has 3 out of 4 battery bars right now on it already, so that might be ready to go. I'm going to charge the remote control for just a few minutes before we take this out. Signal LED will turn red instead of green when the battery on the remote is low. Okay, that's nice to know. When the remote's battery is critically low, only the board's brakes will work and acceleration is disabled. That's great. I'm glad the brakes still work. Remote needs 15 minutes to get fully charged and can be used for 10 hours per charge. 3 lights on the remote means 100%, but the board goes up to 4 lights. So that's a little weird. Okay, slow mode, limited acceleration, top speed of 8.5 miles per hour, 18% grade hills. Medium mode, decent acceleration, top speed of 17 miles per hour, 25% grade hills. Your Meepo board has a lot of power. Follow these tips to ensure a safe riding experience. It doesn't say what the high mode is. It just says slow mode and medium mode. Interesting. It also gives us a QR here. I'll have to scan that on my phone and see if there's an app that goes along with it. But other than that, not too much stuff in this box. And I don't even see, I'm going to have to look into this a little bit more, I don't see where you plug this in to the back of the board. Like I said, there's a USB plug here, and if you plug it in, the lights turn on, but I thought there'd be like a port to plug it into, and there's not, so I don't know. I'll have to get back to you on this. Alright guys, I'm going to turn off the camera now and charge these boards. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, first time on the Meepo board. Let's see how I do. I've got my drone in my backpack. I'm going to try to take it down to the trails over here by the soccer field. I hope it's open. I know they're doing some construction down there. I charged up my control here for the Meepo board. So let's, where do you turn it? Let's just turn this on. I got the, I'm using a lapel mic on a cord right now. I don't know how well that's going to work out. So far, not that good. Sorry about that. I dropped you. The on button looks like it's on the bottom of this right here. And we have lights. So let's see. That's working. Let's see. So you have to hit a button for reverse. I'm not too fond of that. I wish it would just go that direction. But let's give it a try here. A lot of bend to it. So the brakes are working so far. Got it on low for starting out here. Seems pretty stable. The brakes are responsive but not too jarring. I think I should have worn a helmet. Oh well. And on low, it definitely does not go too fast. That's a good thing for me right now. Oops, and I fell off already. And this is on the lowest setting right now, not going that fast. I weigh about 185 pounds, so maybe a lighter person would make it go faster. This is just fine for me for starting. I might have to kick it up a notch here, especially if I'm in the way of traffic. But let's just take it down to the end here and turn around. So I'm not going to say this is a review, this is just a first impressions. I will take it later to my buddy Carl, who's been riding a boosted board for like over a year, and see what he thinks. He's probably the expert here. I just turned it on to medium. I want to see how fast we can go here. Oh man, that is quite a boost. And this is what I was afraid of. I don't even know if these tracks over here exist anymore. Man, they have torn this place up. Let's take it over some bumps here. Wow, that didn't do too bad. I thought it was going to be more jarring than that. That was a pretty big bump. Speed bump. Whoa! I just about lost it on the speed bump there. I did not fall down, but I definitely fell off the skateboard. Let's go around it this time. But let me tell you this, it is definitely harder than it looks. I can't remember how much harder it was or easier it was with the boosted board, so I'll have to compare that later this week. Tell you what, I'm having fun though. We're gonna walk a little bit here. Oh man, my feet. I am gonna unplug this mic from this GoPro right now because I think it's messing with my gimbal. Look at this. It looks like there was a way for me to go through. I just wasn't willing to do it because I didn't want to ride on gravel. So anyway, let me start with the drone. I want to get some drone shots. guys, Corey B, aka Binger. Second day of my Meepo powered skateboard review, and I am down here at Silver Lake today. I rode it last night until the battery almost died. It wasn't quite dead. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to ride it till it dies today, but I got a lot of board time out of it yesterday. Today, I am just gonna take it around Silver Lake and just get a little more stable on it. Maybe that's the word. I know once in a while I kind of lose my balance and I start to go back and forth, and I don't want to end up like one of those YouTube fail videos. So I am just going to get a little more practice on it before I give my final, not final impression, first impression on it. Yeah, there we go. That's a little better. I couldn't have taken that curve last night. I'm getting there. I'm still riding in medium. I am not going to put it on high yet because I don't know, scared shitless of the high gear yet. I think high gear takes it up to like 22 miles an hour or something like that, or 21. That's a little too fast for me. I don't want to break my skull yet. All right. I'll talk to you when I'm done. That felt pretty good. My feet are sore again, and it's the same type of sore feeling I get whenever I start snowboard season. It's that, I don't know, that gripping into the board with your feet and doing toe side and heel side. But so far, the Meepo board is working great. I'm a huge fan of it. The only thing that it kind of had a problem with was my own hill at my house on the other side of town. Going up that hill, it really puttered out, but that is a very steep hill. Sometimes in the winter, people can't even get up it with their cars. So far, the Meepo has been doing great. I like the shape of it. It's easy to ride. I'm not losing my balance too often in it. I know a lot of that is just learning. It's just a learning curve. It didn't take that long to charge back up. It seemed like it took like a little over an hour maybe, and it was at full battery, but I don't think I exhausted it all the way. I went around Silver Lake right now on medium, and I did it in less than 10 minutes. I think it works great. I can't wait to use it to like go downtown for Thursdays on First or go out for a drink or something like that. I know it only rides one, so that might be a problem. But so far, I'm a huge fan of it. I think it's definitely worth $399, the $400 special that I got it on. I can't wait to show Carl this board and have Carl ride it and give me his opinion, because he's rode a boosted board for over a year. However, we're supposed to get like 6 to 8 inches tonight and the next night, so I might not be able to ride it for like the next week. Sorry about that. All right, thanks for watching today, guys. See you later.